Welcome back to the advanced class. Lesson 7. In traditional painting, artists begin with a blank canvas, building that composition layer by layer, from sketching outlines to adding colors, until their vision comes to life. In Photoshop, there's also the concept of layers. Each layer stands independently, allowing edits or adjustments, without disturbing the rest of the image. So, can MidJourney work in a similar way? Can we build our ideas step by step, layering each concept to form a complete artwork? Hold on, we'll uncover the answer soon. Stay until the end. There's a little surprise waiting for you. In our previous 2 lessons, we explored multi-prompts and mirrored prompts, both focused on adjusting balance and detail between 2 sets of descriptions. Today, we'll explore layered prompting, a technique that uses more than 2 prompts to construct a cohesive and visually rich image. Let's begin with the first prompt, desert. This creates our base background, a simple, sunlit desert scene on a blank canvas. Next, we want to add an Apple flagship store within that desert landscape. So we type our second prompt, their old Apple flagship store. We have a futuristic and elegantly designed Apple store standing in the open desert. After setting the scene, we might think, can we add a person into this composition? Maybe someone holding a phone, adding a sense of life and realism. So, we enter our third prompt, a young man holding an iPhone. At this point, you might say, that seems a bit too easy. But wait, there's more depth to it. To enhance the artistic feel, we'll add a cinematic style to each section. For example, a few stills inspired by the film Dune by Denis Villeneuve. This gives all layers a consistent, movie-like tone. To fine-tune how much influence each layer has, we'll add double colons after every prompt. Now our draft structure is complete. Next comes the detail adjustment. We can add camera shot descriptions to each prompt for better composition. After the first, add extreme long shot to capture the vastness of the desert. After the second, add panorama shot to highlight the Apple store in full view. After the third, add close-up shot to focus gently on the young man and his phone. This layering of perspectives, from distant to intimate, creates a dynamic visual narrative. Next, we'll adjust the weighting of each prompt. Let's set the first prompt's weight to 8, keeping the other 2 at 1. This produces 3 distinct visual results. 1 emphasizing the sweeping desert, 1 centered on the Apple Store's architecture, and 1 highlighting the close-up of the young man. By adjusting the ratios, for example, we can make the Apple Store more prominent, while keeping the person within a balanced frame. If we change it to 1 to 5 to 3, the person becomes even more present, giving the image a warmer, more human touch. And that wraps up today's lesson.